welcome you to the iFXEXPO Cyprus, a collaborative project with Forex Magnates and iFXEXPO. I'm joined now by Daniel Skowronski, CEO of Alpari. Daniel, thank you very much for coming into the booth. Now, first things first, what makes Alpari different? How do you position yourself amongst your competitors?
Well, Alpari continues to be the oldest and largest MetaTrader broker in the world. So our main focus is just the MetaTrader platform. So we have a number of tools that surround that, whether it's a third party or something proprietary, to enhance our customer experience.
How has your company evolved over the last year? What challenges were there? And similarly, looking ahead to the end of 2013, 2014, what challenges do you still see?
Well, I think 2012 was a difficult year for everybody. Lack of market volatility, and our business thrives on volatility. For 2013, we have seen that volatility pick up. And I think it's really about making sure that we pay attention to our core product, which is the MetaTrader platform, and to continue to make sure that that experience for our customer is superior among our competitors.
What are your thoughts then on transparency within the FX world? Are we moving towards the exchange model? Will all brokers be ECM with one data feed, or will some stick with the OTC model, and why?
Well, I think we're definitely sticking with the OTC model. I don't ever see one exchange that's where all people are trading on foreign exchange. As far as ECNs, yes, I think a lot more brokers are moving towards an ECN model. Alpari does have its own ECN as well. I think more and more brokers will be moving to an ECN model because it's much easier to predict your income stream. Alpari has changed their risk management to move to more ECN or A-book modeling. As far as the OTC is concerned, I don't ever see that really happening. I find it very unlikely that we'll be trading off an exchange model. I think there's too many brokers out there that are market makers, and that market and that segment will continue to stay for years to come.
What is your strategy then for the future? Any new products, geographical expansion?
Yes, Alpari's main strength has always been Europe and Eastern Europe. This year, what we want to focus on is Latin America. We've actually just launched a Mexico office to kind of focus on that whole South America, Latin area. In China is another area that we had been traditionally strong. We've kind of backed off, but we plan to have some pretty big ideas and big plans to move into that area in 2013. And I think the last new thing is from a product standpoint, we are going to be launching binary option trading somewhere in the second half of the year. So that's probably our newest product that we'll be putting out there for our clients.
And lastly, what are the best trading conditions that you can offer to your clients?
Well, we have a number of offerings for our clients to choose from, whether it's on our classic or on our micro. They tend to share the same spreads, which are very competitive amongst our peers. We also do a lot of B2B business or API business. That's one of our largest growing segment, of providing liquidity to other brokers that are out there, and that's something that we've grown quite strongly over the last probably year and a half.
Daniel, thank you very much for your comments. Daniel Skowronski, the CEO of Alpari. Don't go away, we've got plenty more interviews where that came from. Goodbye for now.